Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to avoid the route where you have to pay tolls. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app, then sign in using your Google account. Now on the screen, you can see options like search bar, your user icon, explore, go, saved, contribute, update, etc. You have to go to top right corner and find settings, which is usually at the halfway through your screen. Once you go to settings, you have to find navigation option, which is the first option there. Once you go to navigation, go ahead and scroll down and find route options, where you have to turn on this avoid tolls option. Once you do that, Google Maps will basically give you the routes where you can avoid the tolls, or there are the tolls not available. Well, every toll's information is not clear in this Google Maps, so make sure you do your research through other websites as well. And guys, that's it. That's how you avoid paying tolls through Google Map. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.